Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by picking your audio file and the slide where it should begin. Make sure the file is MP3 or WAV so PowerPoint imports cleanly. Larger files can slow presentations. Once you've chosen the start slide, go to Insert, then Audio, and select Audio on my PC. Click the file and insert it. You're not done yet, but this gets the sound into the deck. Next, you'll control how it plays across slides and during transitions. Next, you'll configure playback so the music behaves correctly. Select the audio icon and open the Playback tab. Choose Start, automatically if you want it to begin without input, or on click to trigger manually. If the track should run across multiple slides, enable Play Across Slides and optionally loop until stopped. Make sure to hide the audio icon during the slideshow if you want a clean look. Also adjust volume and trim the clip. Finally, fine-tune and test the whole presentation so the music matches your pacing. Play the slideshow from the designated start slide, watch transitions, and listen for cutoffs. Adjust fade and slash out and trim audio to smooth edges. If the track should end on a specific slide, set stop playing after X slides. If things go wrong, like music stopping early, make sure Play Across Slides is checked. The audio file is still in the same folder, and file size isn't causing playback issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.